To borrow money, you'll need to start by downloading and opening a specific app on your phone. Once you've opened the app, you'll see a screen with a Next button, which you should click to proceed. The next step is to create an account, which you can do by clicking on the Sign Up option. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and phone number, after which you'll need to click Next again. A verification code will be sent to your phone, and you'll need to enter this code into the app. After verifying your phone number, you'll be asked to set a 4-digit PIN, so make sure to choose a strong one. The app will then give you two options: to get a cash advance or to build your credit score. You'll need to select the cash advance option, which may take some time to load. Once it's loaded, you'll be asked to provide your personal details, including your first and last name, after which you can click Continue. The next step is to connect your bank account, which you can do by checking the necessary boxes and clicking on the Connect Bank option. You'll be redirected to a secure platform to enter your bank details, and the app will review and calculate how much you can borrow. After waiting for the process to complete, you'll see a screen with a Continue button, which you should click. You'll then be shown another step, where you'll need to click on the Agree to option. The app will then display your deposit options, and you should select the one that suits you. You'll be shown the available dates for receiving your paycheck, and once you're satisfied with these dates, you can click Confirm details. That's the entire process for borrowing money through this app.